Hey everybody, this is Brenda here at Energia, and I just want to share with you about the nutrition for weight loss workshop that we are having here at the yoga studio this coming Saturday. We are going to be learning a lot of amazing tools for you to start implementing right away on your nutrition so that you can get to your goals a little bit quicker. You know, everybody has that quest for that ideal body that they believe it is their ideal body, but sometimes it's never there. I like to say that is like the horse and carrot race. It's so close, but not really ever there. So if you are trying to have been struggling with your weight for a while and you'd like to learn some tools, will be not diet. I'm not for diet. I'm not going to be talking paleo, keto, none of that here. Diet don't really work long term, and if you are able to maintain them for long term, they're going to be a little detrimental to your health. So this is all about healthy living and lifestyle changes. There is no food that is forbidden. It's just really learning how to eat according to your goals. So if your goal is to become a bodybuilder, then you need to eat like one. If your goal is to just really be healthy and feel great and feel energized, then this is a certain way that you can eat. So the more that we work on those things, that you learn how to eat that way, you're able to maintain that weight that you lose. Because that's another reason why people sometimes struggle with the ups and downs, that lose weight, lose a couple of pounds here, gain 5 there. The way you lose weight is also very important. It's not just the weight loss itself, but the way you lose it, because that's what's going to determine how long you're going to be able to keep that weight off, right? So I'll be sharing a lot of that with you. I'm going to be showing different body types and different ranges of weight. For example, between a certain number percentage of body fat, let's say 16% for women and 30%, everything is healthy in between. So you can pick whichever one you feel like the most comfortable, but everything below that and above that is considered unhealthy for different reasons, right? If you have a higher percentage of body fat, you're in risk of having more diseases related to that high percentage of body fat. So what we want to do is go into the healthy range, but everything in between those numbers, it really becomes a personal goal. And I'm going to be teaching you how to eat differently depending, for example, if you want to have a 22% percentage body fat, this is what the way you should eat. If you want to be 30% body fat, this is how you should eat. And that way, it becomes really more of a personalized approach of eating versus a meal planning versus a diet. It's just really about learning the types of food you should eat the most or eat less of it if you do want to have a certain body type. Right? We're gonna talk also about meal prepping, and one of the reasons a lot is really hard is whenever we are really hungry and we go to the grocery store, we just grab whatever it is that we find, and sometimes we grab for foods that we believe are healthy because it says looks like it's healthy, it's packaged in a way that looks healthy, and they say it's it is healthy, but sometimes it is not. And I'm going to give myself as an example. Very recently, I was at Publix and I was getting ready to go check out, and there was this table which says buy one get one. Those are so dangerous, right? They said buy one get one with things and those little crackers, and I'm just grab one like, oh cool, okay, let me get this, because I was trying to substitute this on my daughter's little lunch because she was taking some Cape Cod with this fat chips to school, and I was like, okay, we need to try to switch that up. Um, Teenagers don't want to take broccoli to school, believe me. She eat broccoli at home, but not in school. So I'm going to just swap that. When I got home, I wanted to look. I put the Cape Cod right next to the with thins, and I'm going to take a picture and I'm going to add to this message on the bottom so you can see the food label. Very similar food label, actually, and if you want to look at everything at the end of the day, the potato chips end up to being actually the healthier choice, believe it or not. Now you see something that says baked, and you just, oh, okay, right, this must be better. But those things can be very tricky, and anyone can fall for it if you're not really careful. So we're going to talk about that, which foods that you should stay away from. Try to, everything moderation is okay, but and all of the things, the better choice that you can make so that you can finally have that body that you've been wishing for a long time. So if you are like most people, they are trying to lose a few pounds or even a lot more pounds, just come on over. This is going to be really informative workshop. You're gonna see nutrition presented in a way that you may not have ever actually seen before. It's not a cookie cutter way of eating. It's very personalized, and you're really gonna feel the freedom of actually being able to enjoy your life, and even if you have to eat out, you can enjoy that as well. But eating within that range that is always according to your goals. All right. So the workshop is Saturday, April 13, from 2 to 3:30 p.m. It is at the yoga studio. All right. So come very comfortably because we will be sitting on a mat. We will be sitting on the floor. I do have some chairs for those who cannot sit on the floor, so don't worry about that. Just let me know. The cost is $30. Blue Lotus Club members get 10% off that, which is take it off at checkout. So I look forward to seeing you there. If you have any questions, just go ahead and send me an email or a message, and I look forward to seeing you soon. You have a wonderful day, and namaste.